You guys may have seen this video. See, these guys are letting off fireworks, having a good old time, but there's a problem. Located right behind this vehicle is where they are storing all of their fireworks. Let's be safe out there, guys. Let's pay attention to what we're doing, and let's not let off fireworks this close to where you're storing the stuff. Now, you guys may have seen this video. Well, this is what may happen.
You cannot stick it in the ground. It's not going to work.
Who did that?
You got to put it in the shoe.
Don't be a victim of this, guys. Let's stay safe. Let's pay attention. Let's not get anybody injured during this 4th of July holiday. Store your fireworks in a safe place.